prepare mo?
So, ulam natin ito is sinigang. For today's breakfast, gawa tayo ng avocado toast. Tara! Tara! Samahan niyo ako.
Bigla na lang. Sada. Even the darkest night, come running. So, ano siya yung
Ito yung sa'yo, isang buo. Nililinan ko yun. Ang weird daw. Ano nga pwede i-refill dyan?
blueberry?
Sa'yo yan? Swerte mo lahat na papunta sa'yo!
Baka OA mo?
In exchange, pengen may tam.
Okay. Ba't ito sabay kuha na?
Ako na.
Nako.
Konti lang. Konti lang.
Napaghalata ka tayo gutom talaga. Ginagawa mo dyan?
Gawa tayo ng smoothie para breakfast after ng toast. Ang sarap ng combination ng yogurt, mango, tsaka milk.
Amazing. It's very neat.
Miss Toni Braxton. So they have this woman on the show. Her name is Corey Richards, and she's like this new breakthrough author in the children. She went from being a wife to a widow. She went from us. That is the kids. To all under homes. 22 weeks.
Tingnan mo.
No, wait, no, mommy.
Is that how they walk is a bit strange. Fast forward to the group seeing the statue of Snow White, and it's at this point that they realize the color of its dress is the same as the one worn by the person they saw.
It's all plastic, the rubberized, focus.
It's our last day here, you guys.
Okay guys, as you can see from the back, kami po'y naglilipat na naman.
Yun? Yun yung sasabihin mo?
Doon! Hindi pa tapos! Hi! Happy birthday! Yes. Okay guys, as you can see from the back, kami naglilipat na naman. So, yung mga boxes. Hello everyone! Hello! Hello! Hello!
Hello!
Pangit nun. Napaka-unnatural ulit. Hello everyone!
Wow!
Okay guys, so nakikita niyo sa likod maraming boxes. Kasi kami maglilipat na naman. Pero maglilipat lang naman kami ng accommodation ng apartment.
Ito naman masyadong concerned sa facial ano.
Ano ba? Oh, sige, alisin na din. So as you can see from our likod, kami naglilipat na naman ng apartment. Pero this apartment we're moving into is just 100 meters away. So,
Red, mga anak na today. Sasabi mo last day natin dito.
I think I kind of gotten used to moving already. It's just a feeling that, passes by. It comes and it goes. And God only knows. Start na natin silang ilabas isa-isa.
Dyan sa labas ng room.
Para makita natin siya na, ay, nababawasan na yung gamit.
We are officially moving, guys. Since last day na namin dito. We're excited to introduce to you our new apartment. Doon kami sa mas mura, but maayos naman. So this is the current situation, you guys. We're very, very tired. So, bukas na ako magpapatuloy sa paglinis and I'll be alone. Since Young will have his tutorial class with...
It's definitely an improvement. And value for money.
It's value.
It's mas mura and it's mas maganda, that's why.
May nalaking mirror din tayo, guys. Full size mirror.
Down before the 50.
So this is our neighborhood. So this is it. It's finally time to say goodbye to this condo. Actually, maganda yung pool dito. Tignan nyo naman. Ayan. Kaso nga lang, pag naliligo ka, may mga audiences. So before kami nag-rent nito, I thought within months matatapos na yung gym nila. However, sobrang tagal pa. So after a year, di pa tapos yung gym. So sa harapan ng condo is yung gym. Kaya ayun, hindi tayo nakapag-gym ng isang buong taon. New mirror shot. Testing. Dong.
Mataas yung elevation niya, diba? So parang, ang lapit po sa sky, pero at the same time, mas malaki yung sky. Parang ang lapit niya lang, pero ang laki niya. Ay, infinity pool pala to. Sayang sana wala yung isang condo bed. Yung isang condo SN, na-block niya yung view. Ganda sana. Imagine mo kung walang cloud.